So just to start off this video, I must say a massive thank you for the response on last week's video. The VFR is fortunately enough sold. It has gone to a viewer of the channel and I hope that it's going to be looked after, but it's time to make some big changes around here. Ladies and gentlemen, ta-da! Welcome to the channel, my 2015 BMW S1000RR in racing red. And this will be the official replacement for my good old Honda VFR. And by God, what a replacement it's going to be. But I finally actually managed to get one. I can't even tell you how excited I am. This bike has everything that I could possibly want as well. So the previous owner actually fitted some very tidy bits to this bike. My favourite is actually the full Akrapovic, and I don't know, I think this looks so nice on the red. It just complements it so nicely. As well as that, we got some Light-Tech rear sets with some nice carbon fibre heel guards. They're actually, I looked them up online, they're very expensive, so it was just one of them things that came with the bike that I would have never bought. It has a crash protection, so the GP Racing covers, it has the RNG covers, it has some Pazzo levers. These are probably the first real set of shorty adjustable levers I've ever had, and they certainly feel real. Funny enough, the LED indicators are actually an optional extra. It also has these, I'm forgetting about everything. It has the carbon fibre panels, which they're a couple of €100. It's nice to not have to buy the little things. And like silly things like the exhaust mount bracket. Like all these little stupid little silly things that just cost a lot of money. So yeah, basically it has some very nice extras that the previous owners have fitted. And I will say, when I was walking around this bike, I could not find a single mark on it. It's so pristine. Whew, it's been a good decision. One of the main reasons I actually wanted an S1000RR was because back in 2011 I got a job through work experience cleaning the bikes in BMW Motorrad. I finished up in 2015, so coming to the end of 2014 this bike was released, and so I was around a lot of them. One thing that did stick with me was the pit lane limiter, and I remember the lads, like the salesmen, going through the workshop, and I just remember thinking like, whoa, like that's like what a mad feature to have on a bike. And to the best of my knowledge, I don't think there is another bike out there that kind of has those features, especially like the CBR 1000 and the R1M. What a beautiful looking bike, but to drive that on the road every day is a totally different story. So this thing, it's just mad. Like, what other 1000cc super sports comes with cruise control as standard? Like, that just makes it the ultimate practical daily bike, I think. And like, then it goes down to other things like the custom rider modes that you can go in and customize. You can turn up the traction control, you can change the throttle response. There's so much flexibility in the bike that go in and change it to the way you want. Like the CBR 1000RR, that one, I think it's like 3 different rider modes and that's it. You cannot change anything, you can't customize them, so you just take what you're given. Whereas the Beamer is just completely different story. It's so funny as well, because like, I didn't really mean to buy another red bike. I actually wanted a black one, but it's kind of funny because like, even one of the lads was saying it's kind of like an ode to the VFR. It's like, it was almost a sign that I should get this one. And I'm so happy I made that choice because the red looks so nice. It's mad, like 10 years later I finally bought my dream bike. Like, I don't think any other sports bike out there has those features in the last 10 years. And then it goes down to the electronic suspension, like being able to adjust the dampening and the rebound. That's what's mind blowing to me. This is what makes it such a practical daily bike. This just seems to be the one that does it all, and that's why I went with it. I'd love to know what you think down in the comments below, because this is the replacement for the Honda VFR. And as I said, what a replacement it's going to be. So yeah, welcome to the RH Automotive channel, S1000RR. And folks, this is just the beginning. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.